Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. Let's continue with our chapter number 3, Reproduction in Animals. For today, our topic is animals that lay eggs. Many animals like birds, fish, lizards, frog, and insects reproduce by laying eggs. Once the eggs mature, the young ones hatch out. Now, let us discuss the parts of an egg. An egg has mainly 3 parts: the shell, the albumen, and the yolk. The first one is shell. Shell is the outer covering of an egg. It is usually thin and protects the growing baby or the embryo. The second part is albumen. Albumen is a white jelly-like substance present within the eggshell. It is rich in proteins. The third part is yolk. Yolk is the yellow inner part of an egg. Yolk contains fats, vitamins, and minerals. The yolk provides food to growing embryo. The growing embryo grows into a chick and comes out when the egg hatches. Our next topic is birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most of the birds build nests to keep their eggs safe and warm. The parent bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. This is because of the fact that an embryo grows into a chick only when it is warm. When the embryo is fully developed, the egg hatches and the baby bird comes out. The baby bird then grows into an adult. The life cycle of an animal or the bird refers to the various stages of development, starting from an embryo to a mature adult. That's all in this video. Thank you.